Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can brighten up under your eyes and the middle of your face without concealer. If you want to see how I do that, keep watching and remember to share this video. I will start with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Pro Foundation. It's oil-free, it's 24-hour wear time, and this is what it looks like. Always check your foundation because you want to mix it properly, because sometimes they separate after they sit for a while. I already have my primer on. I have the e.l.f. Putty Primer Matte. As you can see, it always leaves a little white cast, but when I put the foundation on, it just takes care of that. Today, I will show you how to take foundation Now I have my foundation on. That's my base. Always put your base on before you try to highlight under your eyes and the middle of your face. So my base is on. And that shade is 111.5 and it is Nutmeg. That is the shade. 111.5 Nutmeg. Now I have that. I want to brighten up under my eyes and my face, and you call that highlighting. When you highlight, that means you want it to be seen. So remember, if you want the middle of your face to be seen, looking all flawless, you highlight. So I'm going to highlight today, but I'm not going to use concealers. I'm going to use foundations. I am going to use foundations to highlight the middle of my face, because I want to bring it out. When you want something to be brought out, you highlight. When you highlight under your eyes and the middle of your face, you want to use between 3 to 4 shades lighter than your base. This is my base. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. SATIN foundation. I'm going to use that under my eyes. And I'm also going to use this in the middle of my face. This is the Skin Stick by RAINE. I'm not sure if this is still available, but this just came out. So you see the difference in shades. So when I do highlight, you will see the difference. Now I'll just show you in the back of my hand. This is the e.l.f. This is e.l.f. foundation. It is the Soft Glam Satin Foundation. You see it when it looks next to my base, how light it is. The next one is a foundation stick by RAINE. I'm going to swatch it right next to it. You see, this is the RAINE right here. You see, it is still lighter than my base. So I'm going to use the RAINE under my eyes. Because I want that part of my face to show, come up front, I'm going to bring it forward by brightening it, or you can say highlighting it. Now that I have the RAINE under my eyes, you can see the difference. This is my base, and this is under my eye with the lighter shade of foundation, because I'm trying to brighten it up, or you can say highlight under your eyes. And I'll put it just so you can see, lighter than my base. I'm going to highlight right here and in the middle of my nose, right here and right here. I want to just highlight the middle part of my face so you can see the difference. And this is all being done with foundation. If you have no concealer, you can use your lighter foundations. We all have some foundations that we bought that does not work for us. All of us have a mismatch in our drawer somewhere that we can pull out. Now I have both on. Remember, when you want to highlight or brighten, 3 to 4 shades lighter than your base. You see my base? You can tell the difference right off. This is my base, and you can see the highlighted sections on my face. So this is what you want to do to highlight or brighten your face. Now this is what the 2 foundations I've used to lighten up under my eyes, to brighten up under my eyes. And my forehead right here, down the middle of my nose, down under my nose, my upper lip, and down on my chin. So I have brightened up, or you can say highlight, under my eyes, forehead, straight down. And this is what it looks like. Can you tell the difference? This is my base. This is my base. This is my brightening. My brightening. Can you see the difference? Base, brightening. Now I'm going to set with 2 powders under my eyes, and everywhere that I put the brightening, or you can say the highlighting foundation, I'm going to use my one size, and that's the Rich Peach in all these places. And the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Sephora pressed powder, and it is Toffee. The shade is Toffee. So the outside of my face, I'm going to set with the Sephora Toffee pressed powder. And everywhere I have brightened up on my face, I will use the one size Rich Peach. Rich Peach, such a pretty powder. I am setting everything under my eyes, and what is the brightening section, I am going to set with Rich Peach. Remember to tap gently under your eyes, forehead, the middle of my nose, I hope you can see the difference from my base. If you look at my forehead right here and you look in the middle of my face, you can see the difference, the brightness. Brightening, highlighting, the same thing. If you're going to do that, use 3 to 4 shades lighter than your base. And I think you're starting to see it come together. For the powder, the Sephora powder, very soft, and it's a nice powder. Be gentle when you're trying to get it, or else it will lift up a lot in the pan. But it's a very, very nice powder. And now I'm just going to go over my base and set it. I have oily skin, so I need to set everything that's liquid or cream on my face, or else I will be worse off than I started. Now I have set everything on my face. I just need to dust it off. But this is what I'm looking like, right? This is brightening or highlighting the sections of your face you want to bring out. Simple as this. I take a big fluffy brush and now I'm just going to just get all the powder out. This is what my face looks like after I have brightened up under my eyes and the middle of my face, or you can say highlighted under my eyes and the middle of my face. This is my base. Which is all this section of my face. My base. The middle of my face is brighter than my base. If you look, you can tell. Let me know in the comments if you can tell that the middle of my face is brighter than my base. This is my base. I use 2 foundations to brighten up under my eyes and the middle of my face. I use the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation, and this is tan, and it is tan 40 in the middle of my face, along with the colored RAINE Skin Stick Foundation Stick. I use these 2 in the middle of my face and under my eyes to create brightness, or you can say I lighten it up to bring it out. When you brighten any section of your face or highlight it, you want it to be forward, so it moves front and whatever is darker moves back. Can you tell I have highlighted my face? Base, highlighter, and it's all foundations. If you don't have any concealer, you can use the lighter foundations that you do have and do that. It could be your winter foundation that's now too dark in the summer. You can use that to highlight. If you want to be very, very bright, you can get a brighter concealer or a brighter foundation. But I just wanted to stay more on the natural side, so I use a foundation that is 3 to 4 times. But if you want much brighter, you can go 5, 6 times light and you'll get that big, bright, highlighted section on your face. But I like to stay in the range where it looks more natural. So this is it. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please share it with somebody else who might want to do a more natural brightening and bringing out the middle of their face without going way too bright. And this is what the outcome and the result is. Let me know in the comments if you like this video, and let me know if you can see a difference with the brightening and my base. Remember, when you do these, you want to blend really nice so everything meshes together and looks natural. I will see you all in the next video, but until then, I'm asking you please to be safe, be kind, be loving to yourself. You are a very important person. We all have trials. Trust me, we do. We do. I have, you have, other people have. These things we are not immune to, but we have to learn how to deal with it. Don't let our troubles take us down. Let us reach out, touch each other, talk to each other, network with each other, and help uplift the next person. I will see you soon.